Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm Izzatul Husna binti Ahmad Sahar. In this video, I'm going to cook regarding the menu of soup. Soup. What is soup? Soup is a liquid food derived from meat, fish, poultry, or vegetable. Okay, next I will share the classification of soup. Soup can be divided into three basic categories. First, clear soups. Second, thick soups. Third, specialty and national soups. Okay, so I hope you can remember all the categories of soups. Today's menu that I'm going to cook is mushroom soup. So let's start with preparing the mise en place. Before starting to cook, we need to make sure to wear appropriate attire like this. And the most important thing is our personal hygiene practices like short nail and take off your jewelry for our safety. First, we need to cook garlic toast bread. The ingredients needed are butter, garlic, parsley, cajun, and oregano. After we mix all the ingredients, we must spread it on the bread. Next, we can toast the bread on the pan and make sure the pan was heated enough. Toast the bread in medium fire. Make sure the bread cook well until it change into golden color and make the crispy sound. Next, I will show you how to cook mushroom soup. To prepare mise en place, we must cut the button mushroom first. then Holland onion and garlic. Next step, heat the pot on the medium fire and put some olive oil. After the oil heated, saute the onion and garlic. Then we put the button mushroom and we saute for a while. You can add some oil if the ingredients are dry. Then we put a little bit of butter. And then pour the chicken stock around 250 ml. And then we mix using by wooden spatula. Wait until the liquid are simmering. Then transfer the liquid into the hand blender. Blend all the ingredients until get the smooth texture. After all done, we put it back in the pot and simmering again. And then you can put the cooking cream inside the mushroom soup. Lastly, you can put some seasoning using white pepper. Then adjust the taste that you like.